So hey you guys, thank you for tuning into my YouTube video. For those that are new, make sure that you like, subscribe, and just follow your girl Zaya Grace on this YouTube journey. And then then I did let you guys know about the natural products. I did actually get the order in. I got it yesterday. I didn't want to do a video yesterday because I was so tired. Just like I told you guys, I'm prego. That's why you see my hair is just, yeah, we're not doing anything with my hair right now because I'm just so tired to even focus on this hair. So what I got was cleansing avocado shampoo. So I haven't used these products just on my head since I just received it. So I got the shampoo. It's sulfate free, paraben free, it's silicone free, and it just says the story, you know, after years of damage and disappointment from hair products on the market, I guess the owner finally cut off her hair, started making her own products in her college dorm. So she started making these in her college dorm. And then I guess after that they came up with Natural Club. So hopefully it works. That's all I'm hoping. Because I've used so many things. I mean, it's literally not funny. And I do see my hair growing. I will show you guys pictures of my hair journey. I feel like it hasn't grown as much as it should. But if everybody's saying it should grow like 4 inches in a year or an inch in a year, so I'm just hoping for that because I'm tired of weave, I'm tired of wigs, I'm tired of doing braids. I want to really go natural and just flaunt my hair and, you know, wear what God gave me instead of wearing what, you know, what other people's hair. So, and then I got the Flaxseed Gel Edge Control. Now, I haven't tried this as well, but I'll just show you guys how it looks inside. This is how it looks, and it smells really good. So I'm just gonna test it out right here. Ooh. See? It's actually really good. You see? Compared to my hair, look how it did it. So sorry, I'm just loving this, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more. So then let's see. You only need a little bit. You don't need that much, but look at the difference between this hair and this hair. Wow, yeah, it's actually really good. And this is all natural. Like, this is all natural. Like, there's nothing. It's really good. I really like it. We did a really good job, and it looks like it holds. I wonder how long it holds for. It doesn't say. It tells you how to use. So it just says how to use on here. So it shows you right here how to use, and it just says you can use it on wet or dry hair. Apply a small amount of Flaxseed edge control around the edges. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, I mean, if it works for my texture of hair, imagine what it's gonna do to your hair. Really good. I actually didn't smell their shampoo because I had a problem with their, okay, so I think all of them smell the same. So it's just, there's a strong smell to it. It's not like that lavender or beautiful smell. I think it's just this one's avocado. Maybe that's why it smells the way it does. It just doesn't smell, it doesn't smell good to me. So hopefully it works, even though it doesn't smell good. This one is lavender. Somebody told me that this smells really good. This is their growth serum with lavender. It's Jamaican black castor oil. So here also it tells you how to use it and the ingredients in it. I opened this one. It smells really bad. Like, it smells really bad, but it once it's on your head, like, the smell goes away for some reason. I put it on this morning and I can't even smell it anymore. So when you open it, it smells really strong. But then when you put it on your head, after a while of wearing it, it smells really good. So, and then this is their conditioner. Same thing with this as well. It's sulfate free. And then it's all natural conditioner. Also tells you the story, how to use it, so it has all that plus the ingredients. I'm opening it right now for the first time on here, so I'm just trying to really open and smell. This one kind of smells okay. So I think they all smell the same. Sorry, I'm just gonna put that on there. But I think once it goes on, it basically the smell goes away. This is Damaged Hair Solution. It's the deep conditioner. So it says how to use it. Store in a freezer until ready to use. Shampoo and condition hair with Natural Club cleansing. And then apply deep conditioner to damaged hair, focusing on the ends. And then let deep conditioner sit for 20 to 40 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. So I guess this one, I don't know if you can keep it. So then they're saying that you have to use one of these every 2 weeks. I mean, they only sent me one with the whole bundle. It's about 2 ounces. So I guess you got to keep reordering this every 2 weeks. It has avocado, water, shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, citric acid, honey, tea tree, essential oil, and other stuff too. So hopefully it works. And then they did actually send me some cute stuff, just some stuff to read. And then welcome me to the All Natural Club. The avocado collection, just letting you know a little bit about it, how to apply. A moderate amount of cleansing avocado shampoo to wet hair. So, and then it tells me about the flaxseed, just a lot of educational information, and the Jamaican black castor oil. So, really good. And I love the box that it came in. It's just a small box. And it actually tells you that. So it tells you, place deep conditioner in freezer. I would have never known if they didn't have that on there. So it's actually really, really nice. And they're based off in Cleveland, Ohio. So they shipped from there. There's just a simple package. Nothing to it. Yeah. So basically those are the products that I ordered, and I will go ahead and show you guys pictures of my hair journey. I've kind of like went back and forth, did weave and then took it off again, and then, but I haven't put any heat, nothing in my hair. So I've left my hair with no heat damage. So hopefully it's going to grow the way that I need it to grow. So that's it. I mean, you know, I'm not promoting them, and I'm not getting paid to promote them, but if you want to look into it, I mean, I would give it a try. I mean, you probably tried different other products. You never know, this might work. Third time is a charm. Like this is the third products that I'm gonna try. Hopefully it works. And then thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then like and comment below what you think. And then let me know if you've used it before, how it does on your hair, if you see growth, if you see that it's been doing good on your hair, because I need that encouragement. So I've been watching a lot of girls on Pinterest and YouTube, and they really like the Natural Club products. So hopefully I can give it a try and see this whole year how it's gonna work on my hair. Again, subscribe so that way I can post more videos, and thank you so much for watching.